gonna be. Okay. Got a spark plug over here. Okay. Okay. You see what I haven't done? Okay. I'm gonna crank it. No spark, right? No. You know why? Because I haven't got that wire again goes through the smart spark, I should say. Smart box here. Okay. Now we'll plug in the red wire, and we should see spark. Man, or at least one of the spark plugs. There we go. That's all I wanted to Oh man, has this been a kicker. There she is. Alright. Alright, well, you don't need to see me put this back together again. You've already seen me do it twice now. let's fire it up. Back together, I got plugs in here. The wiring harness plugged in. And I got fuel pump. I got a pretty dirty air filter. Leave the air filter off. It's basically just a dirty outer cover. My air cleaner itself is in pristine shape here. But I'm just going to leave that off for right now because I want to fire this thing up. In front of you also you can see what we got here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Fuel. That will shut it down. So if you got power on here, you should have power going through your smart spark. So now putting that on, kill the switch, that back on, and you should not have a problem starting again, right? White wire, didn't appear to have any rust. This wire here is the white wire on your book, or your things you can check. And that was all because of something. I still don't. Just the key up here. The key switch itself is kind of loose. So as it's flexing, something in the top up there was flexing too. So now that it's solid, no more flex. So this is this is great. Okay, your rectifier I don't have plugged in, but that's going to charge your battery. You set that back up. As you saw in some of my tests, even with these disconnected, the motor's gonna, I don't even know, maybe the motor will even run. Because it was firing backwards. Let's see what it does. See if it'll... But, even though it's cranking, it's firing. So that's telling me the coil is probably good. It almost wants to start. I could be flooding it right now. Okay, it's out of the way. And that might be telling me the coil is good because it's actually making its own energy. Awesome. Okay. So, what else can I say? I showed you how to do check your coils, primary and secondaries, what the coils are doing while it's on the motor itself. Coming out of the smart, you may not have a smart spark system. You may have just a straight system. So anyway, that is where we're at. Run this back through the other side over there. Oh shoot, keep forgetting I got the bolt out of here. I do have this wire here goes down to, I showed you the magnetic clutch down there. Unfortunately, I've got one wire. I got the red wire going down to the clutch. It's got one strand. Maybe you see down there. It's got one strand. Whoop! I ain't got a strand at all now. Oh man! Now I gotta fix that before I can run the mower deck. Okay. So we're gonna get this back together, and back together. Let's go. Let's start it one more time. I wasn't able to start it more than one. It won't even start a second time before. Let's get this baby back to get the cover back on it. I gotta repair that freaking wire to the clutch, and we will be good to go. you heard earlier, I had a crackle come down through the chimney somehow. And I was hoping he was going to be able to make it through the through this thing without having me to have to take everything out. Well, as you can see, the little ding-dong's right here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Get your head out of there. There you go. Yeah, bye-bye. Don't do it again. Oh, man. Always something. Okay. So, we now have it all back together again. I still got the battery charger on it, keeping that battery charged. So, everything is back together. Only thing, my air cleaner, my outer air cleaner, is really dirty. So, and what I have is I got the foam filter cleaner, but I got to get a spray nozzle for it. And of course I got to get the mower deck back on this thing. But now I got everything together here. Let's see. Sure she starts again. No. Oh yeah. I forgot. I got to push the brake pedal down now. Beautiful. Huh? Alright. Next step, get that mower deck. I still got to repair that daggone wire down there. Still got to repair that wire. But, you know, this is still your power wire going down there. It's not going to start with that mower deck pulled once you shut it down. That's a safety feature. But with it down, and then I push the brake pedal down, it's going to run. We are all back together again, looking good. I even messed around. I found some old high beam plugs that I had, and there you go. You can see they're high beams, but they're not that bright. And like I said, I was going to get some. I think I can get an LED beam bar that would sit right in there and then reflect out. So, oh man, let me get this thing on here. Put this cover right back on here. There we go. I'm blinded now. Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay. A little floor mat. And I got in there and I repaired that. Repaired the good old that clutch wire. So here we go. I'm gonna fire up. Let's see what happens. Oh my word! It's been a 3-day evolution, and it's got new fuel. It's got new spark plugs. All right, let's see what happens. Almost. here we go. Here goes the clutch. Yeah. Spare plugs. I get my head set on here. Get some straps off. All right, just to see if it starts again. Yeah, yeah. Alright, we got good spark, we got fuel, we're all set. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share.